back at it, day 3 here at the Early Bird 50. It's the last day, it's main day.
It is. Hopefully just main, not B main. We don't know. There's more cars out there, it'll be B main, but
We're not.
We're out here, chap lips and all.
That's it. It's sore. It's been an exhausting 2 days previous, but it's been fun nonetheless. We're blessed. We're blessed to be able to do this. How you feel tonight, bro?
I feel pretty good. We picked up those 7/10. It's gonna be a little bit drier. We won't lose the GoPro 1 lap in like we did last night.
That'll be good.
I'm happy about that because that kind of sucked for them watching. Honestly, I mean we all got to see it, but
yeah,
they lost that GoPro 1 lap in. Ain't much you can do about that.
No.
But I feel really good, and I slip on that change that we were gonna make, and I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna try it in hot laps, and we're gonna see how that goes. And it can only get worse. And if it gets worse, we'll just go back to what we had because we had something to work with anyway. So.
That's it. Well, the sun's about to go down. Everybody can see right here. And yeah, no. When the sun goes down, we'll get to racing.
That's right.
Yeah, y'all hang tight. We'll be getting into some stuff.
Yep. It is.
I mean, it's going to look different.
I don't know what direction we're going, but we're gonna see.
We got a light.
Yeah. We do. It's called the iPhone 14 special.
Well, that's right.
Driver got the car getting warmed up, fueled up, drivers getting dressed, and we're about to do some hot laps here in just a little bit. Oh, there he is, he's getting ready. Driver, ready to see what this puppy's gonna do?
Yep.
bust
Let me
it.
see them. Leaving it. I forgot
Leave
my
it.
old tires. That's part of it.
How many tear-offs?
I ain't got it under there. I just used it right there.
9.
9. All right.
We're running 30 laps.
That's you.
I don't know. We'll see.
I don't think it's as bad as you may think it is. We'll get this new rubber on.
I mean, shoot, I went out there on old tires. That's probably part of it.
That's it.
Yeah, I think it's better.
We got the sister in here, man, getting the helmet right.
Always.
Nigga. What we got for dinner tonight?
That taco dip.
Taco dip. Taco dip. I can dig it. I can dig it. I like it. Driver, you got you a piece right
Listen,
here. Is this the dinner of champions? I've heard of the breakfast of champions.
this is the dinner of champions. Taco dip.
Mama done hooked it up.
Dude, I'll eat the whole crock pot of this stuff you let me.
Mom don't miss, does she?
She's not missed.
I like it. I like it. No, we even got one of the mechanics over here.
It's good, too.
Alrighty, y'all. We sitting there waiting on our features or whatever. We got the third feature tonight. First feature's about to start, Super Street. We're gonna go here and watch our buddy Tim right here do his thing. Again, I want to appreciate everybody watching us and tuning in. It means a lot. But yeah, show y'all a little bit of old Tim, how he's doing out here. It could have been a better race for old Tim, couldn't it?
I know that's right.
But we about to worry about ours. We got our main coming up right now, about to get rolling.
Yeehaw! Get her done, get her done, get her done.
That's it. But yeah, we're sitting right here and staging, y'all. Getting ready to go out for our feature. Ready to do his thing. Dad, we're about halfway through this race. What you thinking?
I think he's doing a dad-burn good job right now.
How many more laps you got?
I would say we're about halfway. I don't know. I don't know the exact lap count, but
They had 30 laps. So I mean,
he's driving the heck out of it right now. That's for sure.
He is turning some real good lap times. It's just so hard to pass, it seems like.
Short, man, had a driver knock our toe out, and it started looping around with some time to go. Nonetheless, it was I mean, he did good. I mean, he started 22nd all the way up to 13, but we was 3 away from the position that we wanted to end up finishing, and it's just it's racing.
I will say this. We went 3 wide down there, and I kind of got into Houston's left rear. Did somebody push me in there?
Go back and watch the video. I don't want to be called lying.
The reason I say it may have been the way I was braking for the corner, but it felt like somebody was pushing me down in the corner. I guess I was just sliding.
That was
Didn't they
beautiful.
wide number 2, 1, 2 out on the top?
They did, but the thing is, it's still hard to come out of there on the top because nobody on the bottom is respecting anybody on the top. As you seen there, that's how I knocked my toe out. I mean, they just barrel off in there on the bottom and slide up the racetrack into you. I mean, yes. Yes.
You was happy with
my
it?
hands were cramping up halfway through that. I forgot to drink water today.
All in all, man.
You know what you're gonna like when you edit this thing?
What's that?
You know how I drove all that? One-handed.
That's
Hand
what
on the decking too, boy.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
One-handed, hand on the decking. Look like Brandon Hare out there. Shout out Brandon Hare. I know you're gonna see that. You're gonna like that little reference right there.
There you go. But all in all, though, I mean, this weekend as a whole, this car,
Dude,
learning.
180.
Okay.
180, dude. That was the best I've ever felt. Now I got to figure out the passing. The passing, I had a couple opportunities to get by somebody, and I just.
Well, when you took them
I
up
called
high
them at
right
the
in 3
wrong
and 4,
time.
man, yeah.
I kept catching them at the wrong time, and I tried to hit the bottom on them in 3 and 4 down here, and there was a couple laps I hit it good, and I got a run, but if you missed that rut, there was nothing down there.
Yeah.
So.
Well, we gotta. Speaking of which, we gotta come up with some type of sign that lets you know when you're on race pace.
Something. I didn't know I was on race pace.
Yeah, but I was
know
sitting there.
kept
I was like,
lifting for
man.
people, so I guess I should have known.
I was like, man, well, I know, man, we need to let him know. Like, man, he's kind of matching, you know, top 2 guys, top 3 guys. But I mean, that goes to show the whole track. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You're gonna chase the track all weekend long, and you don't know what you're gonna have when you run on it.
Here's the thing that a lot of people don't understand about crate racing. It ain't, you know, one guy's way faster than everybody. I mean, all 24 of us are fast.
Any given night.
And that's how it is. I mean, it's a full field of people who can wheel a race car around a racetrack, and I give props to everybody in 602.
Driver, what you doing?
Signing autographs.
That's what I'm talking
Messing
about.
the number up.
Heck yeah.
Everybody get one?
I got one.
Awesome. You good to go? 10-4.
What's up?
Y'all keep moving. All right, y'all, it's gonna be a wrap on the weekend. It's been a good one. Yeah, personally, number one, I'd like to thank God. Obviously, you know, man, it's blessed we're able to kind of do this stuff and, you know, and be able to race. And, you know, whether going good or bad, you know, he gets all the glory or whatever. But other than that, I'm gonna turn it over to the driver. I'm gonna let him take y'all out and all that good stuff.
Well, from the time that I got out the car to now, I learned that we were only 800ths off the leader. And so, didn't finish, whatever, all that fun stuff. It's a complete 180 from when we showed up Thursday, and I will take that. And like Ed said, all the glory to God. Without him, I wouldn't be able to do this every weekend. He kept me safe all weekend. And I'm ready for next year for sure. So we'll catch y'all, and we'll update y'all some throughout the off season. We might even be racing next month. I don't know yet, but y'all know as soon as I know, that's for sure. We'll see y'all.
It's up to me. We'll race next month.